tayo guys, kasama natin pamilya. Yung mga anak ko guys, ayan. Yung bunso, mga sa bunso, mga ato sa bunso, mga apat sa bunso. So pasalamat muna tayo guys. Sinimbahan na rin kami dito. Pasalamat sa bunso nga kung may kanap na
Best move sa game natin to, nakakaisa natin ng Honda Motorcycle Outlet Association.
So ito guys, ito may ulam tayo guys oh. Yan. Kinilaw. Yan, kinilaw. Tapos ito may adobong manok guys. Yan. May adobong manok. Yan. So dito muna tayo guys oh. Ano?
Turned them into defenders. You know, and easy in our series, he had to guard our guards, right?
Right.
Also, so malaki tong
Rock.
dalawang to, these two guards in this series because they can defend.
Kinilaw ah. Ayan tayo.
Once again, it's RJ.
Ano siya? Sarap.
You're doing so well though. I mean, in terms
Up.
of that's a big
Alright, kain tayo.
shoot to fill. Jason Castro, but somehow he said it in one interview. Sabi ni Coach John na hindi lang isa yung papalit kay Jason, it's the team. And they found a way. They're so far so good for them. They're playing good basketball. They need the ball and their defense is superb right now. That's why they're up.
Makikita mo naman the last two championships ng TNT Tropang Giga. Eh yung finals MVP nung una nun, this was the draft. Finals MVP, Mikey Williams. Sunod the championship, finals MVP, Jason Castro. Now, if they are gonna win it, it's gonna be a different guy again.
So you guys, sa inyong panonood guys, maraming salamat. Sana huwag niyong sawaan ang aking mga video. I-share at i-like. Thank you. Comment lang guys.